What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia.
We're back.
Here we are. We're mounting another TV. We got the 6 series from Samsung, the NU6900, and we're gonna be mounting it here on the wall. You can see that the homeowner's electrical is kind of funky. They got like a random outlet way up here, I think because the previous homeowner had a projector in here, projection screen. So what we're gonna be doing is moving an outlet up into the middle of the wall, and then we're gonna mount this using the Tilt 3780 right here. All right, we're gonna get it done. Follow along. So our standard procedure here in Dreamedia is to hit either 2 studs, and if we can't hit 2 studs on a well-balanced portion of the mount, we actually will put in a 75-pound drywall anchor. So in this situation, we're going to be hitting stud here, and putting in a drywall anchor. And that's just to ensure that there's no possible way that this TV is coming out of the wall or sagging. Yeah, we don't want it to hang low. Again, a little overkill, but we definitely just want to ensure that we're never back out here for a service call. You can see we got stud here with a big lag, stud here with a big lag, and then 75-pound anchor just to make sure we don't get any sagging. And we're center with the whole room. So next thing we're going to work on is getting our power up there and the soundbar mounted for them. That's our single gang hole for our power outlet. We're going to be tapping off this one down here below. All right, check it out, guys. Klein Tools digital circuit breaker finder. This is probably one of the most useful things that I've ever bought. I don't even think it was that expensive, but basically it just helps me track down exactly where the line is on the breaker panel, so that you can quickly not have to. You can quickly find the breaker that you're trying to kill rather than yelling back and forth, hey, did I get it? It's a pretty convenient tool to have. So what Grayson's doing right now is just running downstairs to kill the breaker, and then we're gonna go ahead and kill this guy and install our new outlet up here. Thank you. All right, guys, well, that was a little bit harder than expected. In certain situations, it doesn't just shoot right up the wall. There's actually attic space behind this, and there's a fire break in the wall down here below. I think they added this part onto the home. So Grayson went ahead and went into that part of the attic and just got the line fished over to me. So now we're ready to rock and roll. Next, I'm going to be taking my back box, power outlet back box. This is high voltage, completely sealed, and I'm going to screw it into the wall. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my power outlet, standard receptacle, and I'm going to hook it up. There's a couple different ways you can do it. You can either push buttons on the rear, or you can wrap it around for a more secure connection, like this. I'll show you the harder way, just as a visual. Hook it up like that. Always make sure you put the wire on spinning to the right or clockwise, so that whenever you go to secure the screw, it gives a really nice solid connection where it kind of rips it around in a circle. And that just ensures that the wire is definitely not going to come off. And I do that on all my terminals. So once you push it back, all your wires should be in the back of the back box. You definitely want to make sure that nothing's touching the back of your terminal. And then go ahead and screw it in. Like that. We're also going to be attaching our wall plate to give it a nice, clean, visual appearance. Check it out. Nice, clean outlet, and then down here, let me show you what's going on. knock out another hole in the back to bring our wire through. Again, guys, if you kind of want to reduce your risk of getting shocked, we recommend killing the power. You don't have to, but it's recommended. So right now he's stripping back the shielding on the outside of the Romex. We're using 14-2 wire, which is what the home was built with. We're gonna take one of those, the ground, into the rest of the grounds, the bare copper wire, into that wire nut, and then we're gonna take our other lines, the hot, and then the common, and we're gonna connect them to the receptacle itself. So black goes to gold and white goes to silver on the screws. You can see the previous company that did the electrical for this outlet used all of the push button terminals on the back, the easy connectors. So Grayson's actually doing the side terminal connection method. While he's wrapping this up, I just want to take a minute and let you guys know, if you have not purchased your TV yet, make sure to give us a call or shoot us an email. We can get you the lowest price guaranteed, and we will even deliver it for free if you're in the Dallas area with installation. If you're not in Dallas, don't worry, we can have this shipped out to you at no cost. Typically our shipping's pretty quick too, 2 to 5 days on TVs. So keep that in mind. We have mounts as well, and we really do appreciate y'all's purchases. Like I said on that upper outlet, it's very important that you make sure all of your lines are pushed all the way to the back of the box, but also that none of those lines touch the back of your terminals, because that's when you'll end up with a short. So whenever you have a lot of wiring like this in a box, it can be a task, but it's very important that you make sure nothing touches. Once you're confident that all your wires are pushed to the back of the box, you can go ahead and screw that receptacle into the back box and then put your wall plate back on. All right, outlet's back on here, and we got our new one installed up top. We can go ahead and turn that breaker back on and test our connections, make sure that we do not have any issues. So to do that, you can just use a basic outlet tester. You see we have one here, little commercial electric. It'll let you know if you have any bad ground. Keeping your home up to city code is extremely important to us. We have never had a warranty or insurance claim, and we don't plan to start. So if you hire us, there's only one way we'll do it, and that's correct. Some of these other guys may run high voltage power lines to your wall, not us. Only Romex. All right, and that's a good sign. Green means go. So our bottom one's good, and I'm gonna check our top one as well. Wow, you would have thought we've done this once or twice. So we are all set on our power. Now we can get a TV put up on the wall and our sound bar mounted below. Once we're center and level, which we are, we can go ahead and slide our lock rod in. Once your lock rod slips in between the back of the TV and that wall bracket that's mounted to the wall, there's no way for the TV to be bumped off, because that bracket and the wall are now one. They're connected with that rod in place, which will ensure that you know, kids can't come up and hurt themselves. Perfect. All right, now now that we got the sound bar on there, get everything plugged in and push all these lines up behind the television.
Alright guys, we're finished up here. We got the TV up on the wall. Relocated the power outlet from down here up here. And what we're got hooked up is a sound bar, flush mounted, very close. And we put the direct TV box behind it. So all the wires are hidden, and we hooked up his surround sound 4.1 channel, if you believe it or not. We got the LG subwoofer.
All right, guys, you can see me and Grayson did a wonderful job mounting this television today. Keep in mind, most importantly, we are your LG, Samsung, Sony TV dealers. We have speakers, projectors, TVs, anything you need. You're in the Dallas area, give us a call, and we will definitely help you out with the installation of the television and deliver it for free with a low price guarantee. And if you live outside of the state or even in another city that we don't service, we can still get you that TV at an awesome price. Give us a call or shoot us an email today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below for more videos and like and comment. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.